Good morning, all of you. Today, our practice video is there. Human body. On the human body. Yes, I already discussed about the digestive system, that is the excretory system in my first videos. Yes, now in this lecture we do the revision, we do the practice of the filling the blanks also with there. Yes, I already told in the starting of the human body chapter what is the nutrition. Yes, let us see first what is the nutrition. Yes, the process in which digestion of the food take place, the complex food converted into simple food. Yes, after that we get the nutrient from there and energy also. We get the nutrient and energy also, and afterward we utilize these for their activities. Yes, for example, protein helps in the growth, repairing of the wear and tear cells. Yes, carbohydrate give the instant energy which is used for the to do work. Fat give energy for long time. For example, person not take energy for long time, not eat the carbohydrate, then they get energy from the fat for long time. Yes, next that is a vitamin. Vitamin protect us from diseases, and other minerals, iron which used to make the blood, magnesium, sodium also help in our metabolism process. So this process to convert the food into simple, and you get the nutrient and utilize for their our daily activities, that is called nutrition. That is called nutrition. Yes, first our process of the nutrition, that is ingestion. In mean take the food inside. Afterward then we start chewing the food. Yes, afterward ingestion, to take the food inside our mouth. Ingestion is there. And the second process is the digestion. After that food go in the esophagus to the stomach, and then digestion occur, complex food converted into simple food. Yes, that is the digestion. Next is the absorption. After it become chyme and go into the small intestine, and small intestine have the finger like projection, that is called villi. The word used, that is a villi, a finger like projections. Villi, finger like projections. Yes, absorption is done by the villi. Villi absorbs the food, digested food, and send them into the blood, and blood go into the cell, and in cell respiration occur. Due to respiration we get the energy and the nutrient and utilize for their our activities. Yes, absorption is there. After absorption, is sent to the blood. Assimilation, the use of these nutrient and into energy. For example, carbohydrate, fat we use for our activity, that is called assimilation. And left food which was not digested, that go into the large intestine. Afterward, the large intestine, it come out to the our body, that is called waste, undigested food. Yes, now we discuss about the filling the blanks. Yes, 97% of urine, yes, I already told, in excretory system. Yes, kidney produce the filter the blood and produce the urine. Extra urea coming out from our body, which helps to do filter, that is a kidney. If you take more protein, extra urea produce in the liver, and that if you want to remove from our blood, that is filtration occur in the Bowman capsule, nephron. Millions of nephrons are there in the kidney. Yes, that helps to filter the blood. Extra urea removed in the form of urine, yellow liquid. 90% of urine is actually water. Some other salt also, bile juices also extra. Yes, bile pigments. In case of kidney failure, dash is carried out to remove the urea, that is a dialysis, artificial machine that use to do the dialysis, to remove the extra urea in the form of a urine, urine from the blood. Yes, urine from the blood. The kidney is carried out osmorgulation, mean control of the water, salt, everything. If extra is there, they remove in the form of a urine, urea also, or osmorgulation to control the extra salt, water, everything. Yes, and excretion in our body. Kidney helps in excretion also, removes extra things which do not require our body. Yes, control the creatinine value also. The unit of excretion are, yes, that is called nephrons. Already told, nephrons have the Bowman capsule which helps to filter the blood. Millions of nephrons are there in the kidney. After filter, it go into the ureter, and that is go into the urinary bladder to urethra and come out through the urethra. Yes, bile juices secreted by dash. Yes, who secreted? A biggest gland of our body, that is called liver. That is called liver, and store in the gallbladder. Extra bile juices store in the gallbladder. What is the color of the bile juices? That is a green in color. Green in color. So student, these are the filling the blanks, and these are the starting process in our full process of the digestive system. And last process is excretion. So this is the revision of these filling the blanks. Thank you.